Hello everyone, good afternoon. Guys, let me start introducing myself. I'm Mital Sonegra. It's a pleasure to be here in my second home, my Prime Institute. And I'm here to share my Prime journey with you guys. And or else I can say I am getting a chance to relive those beautiful moments once again. So without wasting time, let's begin. So I still remember it was 6th Jan of 2017 when I joined Prime. On my first day, I was quite low and underconfident girl. And to that underconfident girl, Mr. Feroza said, go in front of everyone and introduce yourself. And somehow I managed coming over here, and my heart started beating 3 times faster. I just couldn't speak. I was here only for 20 to 30 seconds, and somehow I managed to introduce myself. But trust me, it was the worst performance I did, because it was just I just don't have words, because the way I spoke, I just have words. But even then, every classmate clapped, and even sir appreciated me because I had tried at least. And that was the feeling I never felt before, because the world that exists in this Prime campus is completely different than the world that exists beyond this campus. We just don't get this environment out of this place. So that was the feeling when I realized that this is the place where we don't only learn English speaking. Here we are going to develop all the prospects of our personalities. And day by day my confidence level was going up, and I was introducing myself as a new Mital. I just found a new Mital in me, and that feeling was something different. Coming over here daily and used to learn something new was just, I don't have words to say. And now I say that 2 years kaise chale gaya, I just don't know. Because coming over here, every day was a new day. There was something was waiting for us so that we can come and just grab it. Yeah. And every challenge that we used to tackle, my biggest fear of my life, that was coming on stage and expressing myself. And overcoming our fear is the best thing that we can ever have. And of course, another charm of my Prime world is our programs. We used to wait a lot, even my classmate, that Maria, Alina, Sakleen Bhaiya, we just used to love it. Becoming volunteer, oh my god, we just love it, because spending here time, we are just mischievousness, our naughtiness, we used to talk, we used to fun, we used to play. That I really miss that day. If I get a chance, I will love to relive those days. And of course, in that program, we used to wait it one more moment, getting an award. It was our dream. Getting an award is our dream. So from underconfident girl to the student of the year was an amazing journey that I have been through. Of course, it wasn't possible if Feroz sir would not be there. So a very heartfelt thank you to sir, because you have made a best version out of me. Thank you so much, sir.